Welcome to another episode of The Blurb, where discovering something new is our style of living. Are you guys working online? Are you having problems with your audio? Or maybe you just simply want a good pair of headphones. Stay tuned as we discover these sleek and amazing headphones from Marshall. I was walking around Robinson's Magnolia when I stumbled upon this shop called Digital Walker. And they offer a large array of digital goods that you won't normally find in other stores. As I browsed through the store, my attention was immediately caught by the Marshall Major 3 Bluetooth headphones. So I tried it out and I felt immersed by the richness of its sound quality. The product retails for about 7,890 pesos, but they said they were offering it with a 2,000 peso discount. I thought it was a bargain, and since I kinda always wanted to have a good pair of headphones, I decided to make the purchase. Upon reaching home, I opened it up, and one thing that immediately stood out was its packaging. As the inner box smoothly slid out, you immediately get that feeling that you are getting something that was premium. The headphones were carefully cradled by a cardboard insert, and on its sides were the USB cable charger and 3.5mm cable with microphone. At first glance, one thing you'll notice is that it's very reminiscent of Marshall's guitar amplifiers, as they have been made in its image. For Marshall fans who are looking for a pair of headphones that isn't too brassy or eye-catching, the Major 3 Bluetooth would be an excellent choice. It comes in two colors, the classic black and dark brown. Once placed on your ears, the square cups of the headphones fit comfortably. Although if you do wear it for long hours, one, it may cause some slight ear fatigue, and two, slight heat may build up because of its synthetic leather finish. The design, however, ensures that there is a balance between comfort and sufficient tension to ensure that the headphones will stay on your head while on a run. Although the Major 3 Bluetooth is a bit costly, you in turn get a solid and stable Bluetooth connection and a high-quality aptX streaming, which helps reduce audio coding delays and minimize latency issues, giving you a CD-like sound quality. It's supposed to have a battery life of up to 30 hours, and apparently off the box, I've been using it for about a week already, but till now, the charge hasn't run out. Oh, speaking of battery life, if you do run out of juice, you can plug in the cable to any device that supports a 3.5mm socket like your cell phone. I think this is one of the best features I like about the product. And also, once plugged in, you can also use the microphone built in the cable to answer calls, as it also supports phone functionality. The Major 3 Bluetooth also has a multi-directional control knob, which allows you to play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust the volume. And with its minimalistic construct, it does not affect the overall design of the headphones. As to its sound quality, one thing you would notice is that the headphones have a significant upper mid boost, focusing on trebles, and tends to be lo-fi and crunchy, which basically gives guitar sounds more texture. If you beef up to higher frequencies, the Major 3 Bluetooth isn't hard or harsh sounding, but a bit less smooth compared to other headphones in the market. And with its singular focus on the frequency spectrum, it does work as intended, but sadly, it might not give you that lost in the music feeling, as it may lack a bit of more bass energy and smoother mids. So I've been using the Major 3 Bluetooth for quite some time now, and since I'm not much of an audiophile, I pretty much appreciate its sound quality, especially when I just transitioned from using a 500 peso China knockoff Bluetooth earphones. If you do plan to purchase one, make sure to try it out in the store so you'd get a feel of its performance and depth. Also, make sure to do a quick canvassing before buying one, since I lately discovered that Beyond the Box also sells the Major 3 for about 400 pesos less, which basically rendered my 2,000 peso discount useless. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, A sub to the channel would make my day. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell for future updates. I'm Zeus, and that's The Blurb.